In this video, we're going to show you exactly how to use ShopWired for digital downloads and why it might be the solution you've been looking for. But stick around till the end because we'll also cover some great alternatives you might want to consider for your digital download store, and you'll get access to an exclusive free trial that could save you money. So let's dive in. ShopWired is a powerful e-commerce platform, and it's especially great for selling digital products. The first thing you'll need to do is create your ShopWired store. Once you sign up, you'll be greeted with a simple setup process. You'll choose your store template, customize your branding, and start adding products. Now, when it comes to setting up digital downloads, ShopWired makes it fairly simple. You'll create a product just like any physical item, but this time, under Product Options, you'll select Digital Download instead of Physical Product. The fourth thing you'll need to do is upload your file. It could be anything from ebooks to music files or software. Once that's done, your customers will be able to download their purchase directly after completing their order. Next thing, ShopWired automatically delivers the digital download to your customers through a secure link. No need to manually send files or worry about delivery. The system tracks the number of times a download is available, which ensures that your product is only accessed by the customer who purchased it. The fifth thing ShopWired does well is the integration of payment gateways. You can accept payments through Stripe, PayPal, and other popular methods, which is great for streamlining transactions. Once payment is confirmed, ShopWired sends a download link to your customer's email. This automatic process saves you a lot of time and effort. However, there are a few drawbacks. While ShopWired is great for basic digital downloads, it lacks some of the advanced features that other platforms offer. For instance, there's no built-in way to limit download times or set expiration dates for download links. If you're looking for a platform that offers a bit more control over your digital files, you might want to look elsewhere. Now, let's talk about alternatives. One standout competitor is Gumroad. Unlike ShopWired, Gumroad offers a simpler and more user-friendly interface for digital downloads. You can set download limits, offer product variations, and integrate with a number of tools. However, it comes with a transaction fee that can eat into your profits if you're scaling fast. Another alternative is Sendal. It offers much more flexibility than ShopWired, like automatic affiliate management and the ability to sell subscriptions. While it's a more robust option, Sendal's pricing can get a bit high for smaller stores, so keep that in mind. The thing is, all of these platforms have their pros and cons. ShopWired is solid for basic digital downloads, but if you want more features or if you're planning to scale your store, you may want to check out some of these alternatives. Before we wrap up, here's the good news. We have an exclusive extended free trial to ShopWired through our link, but we've also mentioned some amazing alternatives that may be better suited for your digital download goals. These platforms also offer free trials, so you can try them out before making a decision. So, check out the link below for the best free trial and exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. Thanks for watching, and be sure to explore all your options to find the best platform for your digital download store.